Hi everyone, and welcome to the Document Filters Features Preview. I'm going to be the product owner for Document Filters, and we'll be going over some enhancements in the 23.2 release. So let's quickly go over what we'll be seeing today. To start us off, we'll be showing the Canon RAW formats, metadata, and HD support. Next up, we'll be following the addition of password support for 7-zip and RAR files from the last release, with added support for zip and Microsoft Office formats, as well as being able to natively access the method needed for that from other languages. We'll then finish off by discussing GitHub. So let's begin with the new formats we've added support for. So Document Filters can now extract the metadata from and render in HD CR2 and CR3 files. So these image files can be created using Canon cameras when the images are saved in their RAW format. So you can see here on the left, we have a CR2 file rendered using Document Filters. Then on the right, we're extracting the metadata for that same file. So next up, we have support for password protected files. So if you recall from our 23.1 release, we added support for 7-zip and RAR files, and we've now completed our archive format with support for zip files. So in addition to archive format, we've added support for Microsoft Office formats. So this includes Word, Excel, and PowerPoint in all Office versions dating back to '97. Microsoft 365 is also accounted for in that. And just a reminder from our previous release, we are not breaking encryption, so a password does need to be provided. So you can provide one password or a list of passwords, completely up to you. So please check out our documentation for more details on how to implement this. So I'll now walk through the example we have here. So it's just using our standard doc2text to open a password protected zip file while also opening the subfiles. So the subfile is actually a password protected Word document. So regardless if the password protected file is the main file or a subfile, you'll be able to decrypt it. So in both our 23.2 and 23.1 releases, we've increased the functionality of the IGR OpenEX method. So it can currently be used for password protected files, the heartbeat to allow for cancellation of long-running Excel document tasks, and the previously available localization. So with this method becoming increasingly vital, we've added native support for it in .NET, Java, and Python. So it no longer requires C or C++, and you don't have to create your own wrapper either. So you'll be able to consume all the great functionality easier than ever. So let's talk about GitHub. So we've heard your requests for easier methods of getting new Document Filters updates. And after becoming available on NuGet with our 20.4 release, GitHub seemed like the next step. So while NuGet is amazing for .NET languages, Document Filters is available for many more, and we wanted to make sure that everyone could benefit. So you'll now be able to easily incorporate Document Filters updates in any automated process you may have through GitHub's releases feature. It will also remain available for download on Community if that's your preferred way to get Document Filters.